Guys, this hot little unit in my hands here is the Anti-Gravity A1. It's a brand new 360 drone, and I reckon it's the perfect match for your four-wheel drive adventures. And here are my top 5 reasons why. Number 1 is the experience you get when you're flying it. I've flown a lot of drones over the years, but this is something quite different. The moment you put on the FPV goggles, you're no longer standing on the ground watching a drone in the distance. Instead, you're seeing the world from the drone's perspective, almost as though you're sitting in the cockpit yourself. Flying over a beach, winding through a forest, following a track through the outback, or exploring a remote campsite suddenly becomes a far more immersive experience. Rather than simply watching the drone from the ground, you feel connected to the flight and completely engaged in what the drone is seeing. It's exciting, it's captivating, and it's a completely different sensation to flying a conventional drone. Rather than simply filming the adventure, you actually feel like you're a part of it. Even before you look at the footage you've captured, the flying experience alone is enough to put a smile on your face. And that's something I've never really experienced with a conventional drone. For me, that's what really sets the A1 apart. It's not just another camera drone. It completely changes the way you experience the places you travel and the adventures you have along the way. Number 2, it's the fact that this is a 360 camera. It's like flying 15 cameras at once through the air. With a traditional drone, you're constantly deciding where to point the camera. The A1 changes the game by capturing everything at once. It is a true 360-degree camera, recording the entire scene as you fly. That means you can simply enjoy the flight and concentrate on where you're flying, then later choose exactly which angle, scene, or view you'd like your viewers to see, even allowing you to present multiple events that happened at the same time. One moment, the view can be following your vehicle down a track. The next, it's looking back across the landscape, or creating angles that would normally require several flights to capture. Maybe you can't decide on what's better, the view forward or backwards. Now there's no need to choose, as you have already filmed both. The best part is that all of this comes in one compact, easy to use package. Number 3 is the size and weight. This thing is tiny. In fact, with the standard battery, it weighs just 249 grams, keeping it under that important 250-gram threshold used in many countries around the world. Folded up, it's barely larger than your hand, measuring just 14 centimeters long, so it takes up almost no room in your camera bag, glove box, or touring setup. And that's what makes it such a great drone for travelers. Whether you're heading away for a weekend or doing the big lap, every kilogram counts, every centimetre matters, and storage space is always at a premium. It's so compact that there's really no reason to leave it behind, and that means it's always with you when you need it. Despite its compact size, the A1 unfolds into a capable aerial platform with up to 24 minutes of flight time on the standard battery, or up to 39 minutes with the larger battery option. It's also rated for level 5 wind conditions and has a top speed of 57 kilometers per hour. So don't be fooled by its size. This is a compact system that delivers serious performance. The result is a drone that's incredibly easy to carry, quick to deploy, and always ready to capture those epic locations that make four-wheel drive adventures so memorable. Number 4 is how easy this is to learn and fly. Unlike many traditional drones that can feel intimidating for first-time users, the A1 has been designed to make the flying experience as simple and enjoyable as possible. A big part of that comes down to the companion app. It guides you through the initial setup, links the drone, controller and goggles together, and walks you through everything you need before your first flight. There's even a built-in flight simulator with a virtual environment that lets you fly the controls. You can build confidence, learn the controls, and develop your flying skills before the drone ever leaves the ground. The one-handed motion controller is another standout feature. Instead of trying to master 2 joysticks and a long list of controls, it's remarkably simple and intuitive to use. Before long, it starts to feel completely natural, making it easy to fly smoothly and accurately, even if you've never flown a drone before. The result is a drone that doesn't require weeks of practice or a steep learning curve. You can get airborne quickly, build confidence fast, and spend more time enjoying your adventures, rather than trying to master complicated technology. And number 5, guys, is important. It's the price. This thing is affordable. When you first look at the price, it's clear this isn't a cheap toy drone. It's a well-designed, feature-packed aerial camera system that's built to deliver a completely different flying and filming experience. Traditionally, capturing this sort of footage would require multiple cameras, a far more complex drone setup, and a much bigger investment in both equipment and time. The A1 brings all of that together in one compact, easy-to-use package that's surprisingly attainable for everyday travellers, adventurers, and content creators. For me, that's where this drone really stands out. It's compact, easy to use, and packed with innovative features that genuinely save you time and effort while changing the way you capture your adventures. It's not just about what the drone costs, it's about what you get for your money, the time you save while filming and editing, and the overall experience it delivers. In that regard, I think the A1 represents exceptional value. Alright guys, there are my 5 top reasons of why the anti-gravity A1 should be on your hit list as a 4-wheel driver. I'll tell you what guys, we've been testing this now for a few months and we absolutely love it. For more information, visit antigravity.tech.